Hey guys, how's it going? Jay here, smarthelping.com. We've got a new free tool. It's Google Sheets. I've got the script in here, example script you can use to pull data from coinmarketcap for crypto data live. You can get the live token price, market cap, and supply of any token that's listed on there. It's quite easy. Um, and this sheet link here is in the description below. I'm not gonna, and the only thing you really need to do this is you have to sign into CoinMarketCap. It's a free, they have like a paid plans, but you can do a free API account. Just sign in. You just need an email. Um, and I just did that this morning. By the way, happy Friday. In a great mood. So we're doing a free tutorial here on crypto data. Personally, I've worked in the crypto space for about 8 years now as one of my main clients, mainly analytics and financial analysis and tokenomics, stuff like that, not really building the infrastructure and code and all that. But I've been around the industry for a while. I also do financial models for a living, so I build things for all kinds of industries. You can check more out at smarthelping.com right there. All right, back to the sheet. So here's a script I used. You can just copy this, go into your, first of all, when you download this sheet, you can go to File, Make a Copy. So you have your own version. And then I'm going to I just have it in here now, but I will remove the extension that has my API key because you're going to have to put your own in. So the way you do it is you could go to this link, you hit File, Make a Copy, so you have your own version on your own Google Sheet drive. You go to Scripts Use, you just take this whole thing, all of this information, copy it, and then you go into Extensions, App Scripts, um, and clear this out. It'll be clear when you get in here and just paste in the data, and then where it says your API key, this is where you paste in your API key that you get from CoinMarketCap. Now I'm not going to save this because I want this to continue working how it is. Um, but you can see this is the code. It's just, we called the function get crypto data, and then we just reference the symbol, and then it'll give us the current price, market cap, supply. So if I put in Bitcoin here, there it is. Boom. And then you can always, and if you wanted to say drag this down, you could do, Ethereum. What's another popular one? Doge. You could do Atom. I think that's Cosmos. Uh, you could do what's a few more? Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. Forget what's the symbol for all that. BCH maybe. Anyway, you could just drag this symbol formula down as much as you want. And then you got a table. You can do dynamic references with this, do all kinds of analysis. There's a bunch of reasons why you might want this here. In live, and you're able to build formulas and reference it and do all kinds of sorts of things. Um, so that's pretty much it for this. Now you can see the script. If you look at it, function, get crypto data, and then symbol. So that's what we're doing here. And then it's pulling the URL, the proapi.coinmarket.com, whatever. And then this is where it's getting the table from the key. And the key basically restricts you. I think the free version has limits on the amount of different types of API calls you have access to. There's a bunch. I think the free version has like a limit of 12 you can use. Here we've just used basically, I don't know if this would count as 3 for the 3 different data points. I'm not sure on that. But yeah, pretty simple. Uh, useful for anybody. If you want to play with this data, it's pretty light on the code and pretty easy to manipulate. So check it out. Now, if you want to support me, go to smarthelping.com. Check out these financial models I've built mostly in Excel, some Google Sheet work, but just startup financial models that let you project, do pro forma projections for all different kinds of industries. You can also hire me at $275 an hour to do whatever you want to do in Excel or Google Sheets. I'm available for same day work, and usually my turnarounds are 1 to 2 days. Typically a job, well, here's my averages for clients. 3 to 5 hours is normal. Some jobs can be more. But yeah, on average lifetime of all clients, the average hours per job is 3.8. If you want an idea, that's just an average. If it's a more complex job, it could go longer. And I keep this updated in real time as well. But check it out. And that's all I got for you today. Like and subscribe. CoinMarketCap API example.